Genetic code. It was believed since long that changes in nucleic acid leads to change in amino acid sequence. But to establish genetic code, many organic chemists, physicists, geneticists and biochemists were involved together, and it was George Gamow who stated that if there are 4 base pairs and they have to code for 20 amino acids, then the combination will result in 64 codons, and he said that each codon is consisting of 3 nucleotides, that is each codon is triplet in nature. But as 4 base pair is coding for 20 amino acids and this combination comes out to be 64 codons, it take later and it take time to realize and to establish the genetic code. Many scientists like Hargobind Khorana, when he synthesized RNA, after those discoveries, the genetic code was established. Now, the various features of genetic code are: codon is triplet in nature. 61 codons code for amino acids, whereas 3 codons are non-functional. These are known as stop codons. 1 codon is coding for 1 amino acids, that is, it is very specific in nature. Amino acids needs coding from more than 1 codon, that is, more than 1 codon is required for coding of amino acids. This states that this genetic code is degenerate in nature. Code is universal. Genetic code is universal. UUU. This codes for phenylalanine. From bacteria to human being, this code codes for phenylalanine. AUG is having dual function. It is initiator factor as well as it codes for methionine. Mutations. Mutations is nothing but deletion or addition or rearrangement in DNA segments. Point mutation. When single base pair changes, it is known as point mutation. It could be insertion or deletion. The classic example of point mutation is sickle cell anemia, in which the base pair changes in gene of beta globulin. Frame shift mutation. When insertion or deletion occurs, it changes the reading frame and thus it is known as frame shift mutation. Let us understand the point mutations. Ram has red cap. Now here B is added. So it will become Ram has and now again I is added. Now if G is added, Ram has big red cap. So here you can see the point mutation occurring in which addition, that is insertion, is happening. tRNA. tRNA is nothing but an adapter molecule. It is having 2 ends. One end reads the code and other end simultaneously binds to the amino acid. Here you can see it has 2 ends. One is anticodon loop, other one is amino acid acceptor end. This anticodon loop is having bases complementary to the code. It is since long that this molecule was earlier known as sRNA, soluble RNA, but later on its functionality was discovered that it is an adapter molecule reading the code as well as binding to amino acid, because it was being searched that what exactly is the method, how this genetic code is being read, and further simultaneously the amino acid sequence is being binded or is being added.